Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Pad. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sounds. In the beginning enter Play Store and search for Battery Sound Notification app. Install it and enter. Now tap plus in the right corner and now select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then you have to select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Disconnected.
And now name your function. Give it description and press this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.